Hello everyone, this is Revathi working as an assistant professor in information technology from SNS College of Engineering. Today my lecture series is about recursive algorithm for distinct array elements. First we have to know about recursive algorithm. Recursive means a loop call itself until a condition will get false is called recursive algorithm. In our today lecture video, we are going to see an example about distinct array elements for recursive algorithm. Here is the general steps used in this video. Explain the difference between the iteration and the regression. Design a recursive algorithm. Determine when a regression is an appropriate solution. Write simple recursive functions. First, we have to know about the general steps followed by calculating recursive algorithm. Decide on a parameter indicating an input size of n. Then second step is identify the algorithm's basic operation. Then the third step is check whether the number of times the basic operation will be executed. And the fourth step will be set up a recurrence relation with an appropriate initial condition for expressing the number of times the basic operation will be executed. Then the last step will be solve the recurrence relation, whether the algorithm will be solved in the best, worst and average case analysis. You can use either backward or forward substitutions for solving the recurrence relation. Then this is the algorithm for the distinct array elements. First, we have to insert the keyword algorithm. Then we have to write the algorithm name. That means unique elements of a of 0 to n minus 1. Here the a of 0 to n minus 1 will indicate array elements starting from 0th position to n minus 1 position. Then second one is determines whether all the elements in a given array are distinct or not. The input will be an array of 0 to n minus 1. Then the output will be returns true if all the elements in array are distinct and false for non-distinct element. Here for array elements we have to use for loop. For I tends to 0 to n minus 2, the for loop will be executed. Then second for loop is for incrementing the value by 1 to n minus 1 do. If next step we have to check whether the first element is same as the second element. If the both the numbers are true, it will return false, otherwise it will return true. Then here the input size is 0 to n minus 1. Then the second step will be the basic operation. Here is comparison of first element with all other elements. Then the third step will be set up the recurrence relation. Here we have to set the relation of m of n minus 1 plus 1 times. Then second one is for j to I plus 1 to n minus 1. Then solve the recurrence relation using either forward or backward substitution method. For forward method we have to substitute the element n value from 0 to n. We will get the numbers. Then for the backward substitution we have to substitute the n value is equal to n minus 1. That means the previous step will be calculated for the backward substitution. Then again the n minus 1 value um, will be substituted in the base equation. Then other next we will get n minus 2 value. So we have to find out the n minus 2 value and we have to substitute in the previous steps likewise until you can get the general form of the substitution method. Then we have to calculate the time complexity of the array of distinct element. Here there are two for loops will be used. One is for getting the value, second one is for comparing value. So the time complexity will be n squared. Thank you.